Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily add another search phone to my iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video and make sure to put your likes. So let's go ahead and let's get started. And first of all, please open the settings of your iPhone. And then when you go into the settings, go to your Apple ID. Next, scroll down and go to the Find Me option. And here, click on Find My iPhone. And if you don't have this feature active, you'll need to activate it. Click this button. You might also be asked to either enter your phone passcode, or you might be asked to confirm your identity through Face ID. Once you've done that, close the settings and then go to the Find My app on your iPhone. Then tap on People in the bottom left corner, and then tap right here. Start sharing location. After that, select the person you would like to share your location with. You can drive their name or phone number, or you can choose from the list. After that, click Ready in the top right corner. After that, you will need to choose how long you are sharing your location for. For example, for 1 day or until disconnected, you choose the option that you are comfortable with. And as you can see, immediately I started sharing my location and thus very easily added another phone to Find My iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, also write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.